If you want to change the card style in Gamma app, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and easy way. Whether you're building a presentation, a web page, or a visual document, changing the card style can instantly make your content look cleaner, more polished, and more professional. So if you've been wondering how to customize the look of your Gamma cards, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Gamma app tips, tutorials, and productivity guides. It helps the channel a lot, and make sure you don't miss the next useful walkthrough. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your Gamma project. Once you're inside Gamma, go to the project that contains the card you want to edit. This could be an existing deck, a document, or any page where you've already added cards. Gamma makes it easy to work visually, so you should be able to spot the section you want to update right away. Next, click on the card you want to edit. When you select the card, Gamma should highlight it and show you editing controls. This is important because you need to make sure you're editing the correct card before changing the style. If you have multiple cards on the page, take a second to confirm that the right one is active. After that, open the card options or style settings. Depending on your version of Gamma, this may appear as a design menu, a style panel, or an options button connected to the selected card. Look around the top toolbar or near the card itself for any customization controls. This is where Gamma usually keeps the visual settings for layout and appearance. Once you're in the style settings, look for Layout, Style, or Design options. Gamma typically gives you several ways to customize how the card appears, including different visual formats, spacing styles, or design presets. This is the step where you can really shape the look of the content so it matches the tone of your project. If you want something clean and minimal, choose a simpler layout. If you want something more eye-catching, try a more dynamic style. Now choose the card style you want. Browse through the available style choices and click the one that best fits your content. Gamma will usually apply the new look immediately or after a short moment, so you can quickly compare different options. If you're not sure which style to use, try a few different ones and see which version looks best with your text and visuals. After selecting the new style, check how the card looks after the change. This is a very important step because you want to make sure the card still looks balanced, readable, and visually appealing. Look at the spacing, text size, and overall layout to confirm that the new style works well with the rest of your project. If something looks off, you can always go back and try another style until it feels right. And that's it. The selected card will update with a new style, and your Gamma project will instantly have a fresh new look. It's a quick change, but it can make a big difference in how professional your content appears. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Gamma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.